can't do it all anymore. I think it's time to hire a team. Recently, I was beating myself up because I feel like I was in the perfect position and all that to hire help. I made the first step by, getting my best friend to help me with my business. But I also need a VA. Neither one of us are VAs. We're both leaders. Nobody wants to do the grunt work. Looking at each other like, so who's gonna do this? Who's gonna do this? And so hiring the right help, also being known, like you said, being known for the wrong thing. I'm really good at speaking to women, pouring into women about their business, helping them grow their sales. It's my passion. It's my purpose. I don't feel like it's work. How tight it is with money or whatever. It's hiring help is scary. Okay, I know how to make money, but how do I know that hiring this help will make me money? I know a lot of my customers have that issue too. Like when they think about investing in marketing, a lot of people focus a lot on content. Oh, I can post, I can make content, and that's going to bring me the sales. But there's so much more we can do, baby. So much more we can do. And that taking that step, I know is scary. So it's scary for me as well, being like, okay, now I gotta hire a virtual assistant. I had one before, and I lost consistency, and I was just like, I started cutting things out of my business. This thing gotta go, this gotta go. But those are the things that help you maintain your sanity, so that you can actually perform at your highest quality. And even like with my best friend coming in, she was like, "Look, I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. I don't want to do marketing. I have no desire to be in your position whatsoever. You gotta worry about me stepping on your toes. I'm not interested. But you gotta teach me something so I can help you run this business. Like I told you guys about my experience with coaching. When I invested at 200, I felt like I got nothing out of it. I did every single thing she told me to do, and I didn't get anything out of it. I was still where I was already at before I came to her. She looking at it like you make sales. I was making sales before I came to you. I'm trying to scale. I'm not trying to make money. So then I ended up working with another coach who was for designers because that's what I was doing at that time. Her price was $1,000, 3 months of coaching. Yeah, how y'all said, right? That scared me. That scared me so bad. But I was like, you know what? I'm already making. I think at that time I was making like 1,200 a month in sales. I was like, I'm already making that. That leaves me what, $200? All right, I'm ready to try this. I've tried everything else. Let me just try it. And I made my investment back the first month. Did I learn any new information? Nope. But it's the way that she did it. I said business is not one size fits all. She taught me how to brand myself, how to present myself. So I know you're looking at yourself right now like, I sell lashes. You're a beauty retailer. You know what I'm saying? Look at the big thing and start presenting yourself that way early on. So you start conditioning your mind to think that way. You start setting the standard for yourself. You start teaching people how to treat you and how to view you. That's what I did.